So in today's installment of Why I Hate This Truck Sometimes, ever since we put the caravan on the back, we've never been able to have a decent hot shower because we've got the Julka hot water service, which I mounted there on front of the batteries, but I use this V-Vol pump when I put the water tank in, and so ever since then, like, it's got an adjustment in here so I could get the Julka to turn on, but it would not have a nice shower or anything. It was very, very lukewarm, so I ended up having to strip all the pump, the hoses, because everything uses different fittings. The Julka for some reason has like normal hose clip-on fittings on the pump, which doesn't make sense to me, but anyway, that's obviously they do that, so you've got to use their pump. So anyway, so the van's been on there for the best part of a year, so we haven't had a decent hot shower for a year. I don't mind having cold showers, but every now and then you don't. A hot shower is very refreshing. So now everything is all plumbed in, and let's see what happens when we turn the water on. Oh, listen to that fire up. We're set at, you can't see that, 41 degrees. So there we go. We got hot water for showers when we're on this desert trip. Nice.